At different stages of my political life, I try to unite the people of BTC. After the formation of Borderland Territorial Council, we, the people of BTC, wanted to have a separate political party of our territory. And that's why, after long discussion, we formed a political party called PP. But at the same time, there were contradictions of opinion among the leaders of Borderland. And simultaneously, at the same time, another political party called Borderland People's Progressive Front was also formed. And since that time, what we have seen, this political contradiction created a chaosness in the society of BTC. If you go to the villages of Adivasis, if you go to the villages of Kodus or Rasponsis or any community, you will see, you will experience that there are very big gap between the thinking of one party supporters and the other party supporters. The same villages, they do not even participate in a program which is organized by the supporters of other political friends. So we try to unite these two political parties right from the beginning, but it is too long. Still, no one could succeed to unite these two political parties. Now, the utmost necessity is to have unification among the people in the BTC area, irrespective of caste, community, and religion. And that's the greatest challenge. If we cannot do that, there shall be no political stability in the area, and our political parties and the leaders shall continue to have the pressure from big political parties, and they will be dictated by them. And when you work under dictation of leaders or parties which is not from your area, who are not for your interests, the work that we want to do in the area shall be have done. And therefore, I'm thinking like which party is more democratic, more inclusive, and which party provides more scope to work for creation of permanent peace in the area and then unification of different communities. And together with the support of the people, we can develop the area in the real sense. Uh, if you have leadership, there is less scope of understanding. There is no collective opinion in the BP copy. And that is why, since there is no collective decision, we cannot have a good policy to implement for the interests of the people. So I have realized that UPPL provides better scope to work for the people, and it is time for me to be in the party where more scope will be provided to me. And thinking all these aspects, I'm going to join in UPPL party tomorrow at 1 o'clock in my constituency called a place called Ekon. So I'd like to appeal all our BTC leaders and the people who are interested to be with me and work with me, because all of you know what I did and what I'm thinking now. If you are interested, please do come and let us all together join in the people.